How to recover LinkedIn account without email and phone number. Go to the LinkedIn website. Look for the Forgot Password option. It's usually located near the login form. Click on it. Now, here's the sneaky part. Instead of putting in your real email address, type in a random one. Something like email@yahoo.com will do. After that, you'll see an option that says can't access this email. Click on it. LinkedIn will give you a QR code. Use your phone's camera to scan it. After scanning, click on the link that pops up. You need to enter a new email address. You can also add your LinkedIn public profile URL, but this is optional. Click the Continue button to move forward. Choose your country from the drop-down menu, then tap on Continue. You'll need to prove it's really you. Tap on Verify with Persona. Tap on the checkboxes, then tap on Accept and Continue. Upload a photo of one of the following. LinkedIn will check everything and make sure it's legit. This might take a bit of time. Once they're done, they'll send you an email with your new login details. Use the new login details to access your LinkedIn account. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.